Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make good kimchi fried rice. Start with the right foundation. Day-old, cold rice is crucial for that perfect fried rice texture, preventing it from becoming mushy. Also, select kimchi that's been fermenting for a while. Its sourness adds a wonderful depth to the dish. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready before you even turn on the stove will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build those foundational flavors. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, like minced garlic and diced onion, until they become wonderfully fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add your protein of choice, perhaps some diced pork belly or spam, and cook it until it's nicely browned and crispy. This step adds a rich, savory layer to your fried rice. It's time for the star ingredient. Add your chopped kimchi to the pan and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing its flavors to intensify. Then, introduce your day-old cold rice, breaking up any clumps as you stir. Ensure everything is thoroughly combined, so every grain of rice is coated with that delicious kimchi flavor. Almost there. Season your kimchi fried rice with a splash of soy sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Give it a final good stir. For a classic touch, top each serving with a perfectly fried egg and a sprinkle of fresh green onions. Serve your delicious kimchi fried rice immediately and enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.